So as I saw the state trooper, because they sneak up behind you, I didn't realize it's after it passes. I'm like, okay, I'm going the speed limit anyway, so it doesn't matter. That's why you have to go the speed limit, because you never know when they sneak up on you. Then I noticed down the block or down the highway, he pulled somebody over. So yeah, because you never know. They could be parked somewhere where you normally see them, or they could sneak up from behind. So that's why it's always good to obey the speed limit. This guy comes from all the way left lane, no signal, comes to the middle, then the right cuts in and loses a little control. This guy just comes in from behind, speeding again. I'm doing the speed limit, have it on the auto steer. So he passes me, obviously speeding, and no signal. Simple little errors, but something. So this car over here does the signal, the typical not signaling stuff that always happens. This car right here just fly by fast. I mean, the video doesn't do any justice. I'm doing the speed limit, he just flies by. I'm making a turn here, car coming in head on, because he has to go around the cars that selfishly double park. The typical stuff you find in New York City. Yeah, it happens a lot. Too much. Then on the next video, you're going to see a Model S giving you the friendly flash. I didn't notice it after I saw the flash, saying hello. This car right here, sort of speeding, cuts in front. You see there's a lot of space behind me, but no, he has to get in front of me to exit. This happens way too much. It's like, a few seconds, he could have went behind, And don't forget to like the video, share it if you want, subscribe. It helps a lot. Thanks for watching.